Hello! Today we are in San Clemente. This is our first time in San Clemente. San Clemente is a city in South Orange County, and it's a beach town. And what's interesting and looks nice is the pier over here. Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of places to walk around and stroll. And there's a really nice picnic table, some swings over there. And there's also some shops over there.
Hidden gem.
Really nice. And because today is a Monday, it's actually not very busy, so we found some parking. There's a parking area near here. Very easy to stroll because it's not crowded. Krackel's having a fun day. $3 for 2 hours. This is the entrance to the pier, and it looks like there are some restaurants and some eateries over here. Later, when we get hungry, let's go pick a restaurant to eat. Yeah. I'm not sure if it looks like maybe it's just one restaurant, huh? Fisherman's Restaurant and Bar. So we just learned that there's no dogs on the pier, and we do have a dog. So I left Mom in Krackel over there because apparently dogs are not allowed on the pier. And so I'm just gonna walk down here, see how it is, and show you guys around. You've got some surfers over there. Well, one surfer. You got the nice view of the city. It's a pretty long walk down this pier, and I want to see what's at the end, if there are any shops or anything interesting over there. Looks like you can go fishing as well over here. I see some people with their poles. So at the end of the pier, there's a restroom that's open and a snack shack, but right now it looks like it's closed. So this is the end of the San Clemente Pier. Very beautiful day today. From this point, you could see South Orange County, and then also the beach looks really good as well. I think from here you can see some surfers over there. I believe it's a pretty good surfing spot. All right, let's figure out where to go and what to eat. So we're leaving the pier area, and we're gonna check out these shops over here and see what they have to offer. I believe there's also a park on the other side. Oh, it looks like the park is, we'll have to go up over there.
Okay, let's carry him.
All right. So what we'll do is we'll go down here, yeah. There's like an underground underpass to the other side of the street. From here, looks like there is a few shops. The pier market, looks like they have some goodies over there, and then a few restaurants and hotel. Let's walk toward the park over there, look at the view, and see where we can eat after.
Okay.
This area looks like it's a motel, the Beachcomber. I'm not sure if the back area with the grass is part of the hotel. We're gonna try to see if we can go there and if it's accessible to the public. Oh, it looks like that park in the back is Looks like it's just part of the motel. Looks like it's private property. Yeah, this is part of the Beachcomber Hotel. But from here you can see the pier and some nice areas some lounges, some areas to sit. But this looks like a really nice place to stay while you're here. Yeah, big large windows, nice seating area. Yeah. All right, this place is really nice. So next time we have a hotel party, we're coming over here. We're just gonna ask how much the hotel is. But this is the prices.
Yeah, nice.
Weekday 300. That depends. On the summer it gets more expensive.
Yes. Okay.
Beachcomber Hotel looks like a really nice place to go to and stay while you're here. Obviously it's very pricey, but it might be a fun place to check in when you're here in San Clemente. Mom noticed that there's actually train tracks over here. And it's the Metrolink, and there's a train stop over there. That's really cool. We're gonna walk back to the pier. We decided that we want to eat at the Fisherman's Restaurant and Bar. So let's see what kind of food they have.
Ayun nga, oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's awesome. There you go. You can take the train to go over here. They got fish and chips, tacos, chicken strip, grilled chicken sandwich, poke bowl, hot wings, ceviche. Yeah, full menu here. This restaurant has actually two sides. One's on the other side of the pier, but from here, you're able to see the beach, the water, the pier. Right now, we're just waiting for our food. Mom, what did you order today?
Fish and chips. How about you, Krackel? What did you order?
What did you order?
What did you order?
And I ordered a veggie burger. So we'll see how the food is, and then we'll give our rating. All right, we got our food. Looks delicious. I got veggie burgers with fries. Mom got the fish and chip, and there's some coleslaw on the side. All right, buen provecho. For these guys give the God receive from God. Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen. Oh, that bird is loud. It's a pro.
Oh, siya pala yun.
Uh-huh. What is this? Is this ranch?
Ng fries.
Oh, it's like, is it like a tartar sauce?
Yeah.
You know me, I love my ketchup. Alright, let's see how this veggie burger is. Very good. There's a bird entertaining us up there. A very loud bird.
The bird is calling. The bird is calling.
How would you rate your fish and chips?
It's good. It's I would say 7 out of 10.
I think I rate the same. My veggie burger, 7 out of 10. But if you add the ambiance and the location,
It's 10 out of 10.
bonus points. All right, we just finished eating. Food was good. Definitely recommend if you're in this area. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.